Alright guys, I want to talk about a product that you can only get if you or somebody you know works at Kpmg and gives you this as a present. So you won't be able to buy this, I don't think, unless you have access to their website or it is given to you. But it is a pretty cool device, so I thought, why not? So how you charge this thing is you have one of the usual cables that goes in there. Make sure you close this off if you're going to run this at the pool or whatever. To run it, it's very simple. You just press this main button here until it makes that sound, and then you just need an iPhone or whatever that you have available, and it shows up as Ring Max. You press that button, there you go, and it's all done. Now you can listen to your music at the pool, but a very important thing that you should know about this thing is that it is water resistant and not waterproof, meaning you cannot dump this in the water itself, but it's something that you would you sort of wet this and attach it to the side of the pool or on top of the pool so it's close, and if some water hits it, it'd be okay, but just don't dunk it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.